Well, hello there guys. Today is 19th of June and I'm sitting in this Volvo FH 500 2016, I think. I'm driving here on the Essingeleden and now we're gonna drive here into the city with this 4.5 meter high truck, and I didn't want to go in through the city over there because there's bridges that are very low down. They're actually 4.4, so they're kind of dangerous there. I don't know why they put me in a 4.5 meter high truck to go into the city, but I guess they didn't have anything else available at the time, so I just had to take this truck. Put this thing up. Where's it? So you can see the beautiful views here. Let's go in here then. Gotta watch out for any bridges. Oh yeah, there we got. Can't take the road the GPS suggests. That is 3.9 meters to the left. So we're gonna go around this place somehow. Take this 3-minute slower way. Yes. Really nice to drive this Volvo FH, these new ones. This one got this loading computer. Go to drive level. Yeah, it's in drive level. And yeah, it's a really nice truck. I like it, but it's also very weird with all these controls. So complicated, man. They just done it too complicated, man. And I'm not such a fan of this handbrake button here. Some of you might know already, I've said that a couple of times. Now, so the driver that has this vehicle, he's put these mirrors excellent for me. You see how it should be? The big mirrors should be pointing straight back so you can see what's behind you, and these smaller mirrors should be pointed as much outwards as possible so you can see the dead angles where there might come people or other trucks or cars. Especially in the city, that's very important. So then, I'm really late to this store I'm going to today. I don't know. Right now the clock is 17:10, so it's 5:10 in the afternoon. Oh, this is strange. I put on the hill holder, but it's not like on the scanners. It's not saying anything. So now I'm gonna try and release the brake. Whoop! And it just releases by itself. Oh, that's dangerous. Scan is a lot better, man. So much complicated stuff in here, and Volvo is, you know, for safety, and I don't know, this thing here is not really safe, I think, because this handbrake, if you push the gas now, it will release. So what if you like accidentally push the gas and then the handbrake will release? That's just. And also you can also, if you want, when you arrive, you can just take out the key and the handbrake will go on automatically. I don't think that's so good, really. The Scanias have like a big warning sound that comes on instead. That's a lot better, because maybe you'll get used to just taking out the keys, and maybe it's, I don't know, I don't trust that function. It's stupid. Gotta be careful not to drive too close to cars, because this truck has a weird tendency to gas more than you want to. Like, you push the gas a little bit and it's like, whoa, it's like drag racing away. Really dangerous. So powerful. Now we're in the city. Here. I think it's 30 here, so I'm driving pretty slowly. You know, the general rule in the city is that it's always 30. Lots of people. Wow. It's crowded here. Man, it sure feels nice to drive this kind of truck in the city. You get a lot of looks at you. I mean, you guys should see. I mean, if you would only see from the outside, this truck is huge. When I'm standing on the ground, the floor is at my eye level. That's how high up I'm sitting. And then also I can stand up. Okay then, now we are here. Loads of people, man. This is turning to look like Japan soon here. We're gonna take a right over, yeah, way over there, and then a left. Alright. Yeah, I remember this road. I always have the GPS on just as a little guidance. I do got a sort of TomTom professional truck GPS deal going on, so I'm gonna be reviewing that, and yeah, I don't know, I'm not such a big fan of special GPSs. I just used Google Maps. That's just as a little guidance. And what's nice with Google Maps is that it remembers the road you've taken. So if you drive truck to a specific road all the time, it will adjust the route to that specific, your personal own route, you know, which is really nice.
Och så är det en del händelser. Börjar på länsväg 267 Stäketleden före Mälarvägen vid Överby i riktning bort mot Stäket om du kommer från Rotebrohållet. Räddningstjänst på väg fram, en trafikolycka med flera fordon inblandade. Ska se om de kommer på plats.
Here I once bought, I went home to some family here in one of these buildings, and I went up to the top floor. Holy crap, that apartment was crazy. They had the double-heighted roof, sort of. It was like a penthouse up there, and I found 2 Driving Force GT steering wheels and a PlayStation 2, SingStar, some games. I got it all for, I think it was 500 kronor. That's like 60 bucks. And then I sold them and I earned like 70 bucks on that. That was pretty fun. Plan. Oh, look at that beautiful house there in the mirror, or the tower. I mean, looks nice, popping up in the blue sky. No crap. It's always red everywhere in the city. Whoa! The roof hit some trees. I don't know if you guys heard that. That's pretty dangerous because they can fall down and hit people. Just gotta really pay attention to that. I didn't really there. Alright, here we go. Where's the Sveavägen here? It's a pretty big road. Where you got, I think you got, what do you have here? Sveavägen, yeah, that's the road to the central station, kind of, over there. We're soon here, we're kind of, yeah, we're right around the corner here. Birger Tulegatan, okay. Oh, is it there on the behind? No? I don't even remember this store. We'll see. When I get there, I'll remember. Right now, I don't. behind us. It's coming this way. Not much I can do. Okay, oh crap. So apparently we're supposed to take a right in here, according to the GPS. I don't know if I want to do that, but let's try. And there was the right rule. I should have maybe slowed down more. People can be coming like choo. Never know. Never know. Okay, so left and then a right here. Man, the engine brake is not working in lower speeds. And now here we're supposed to have the destination. Oh yeah, now I remember this place. Alright. Let's see here, it seems pretty full. Some taxis have been parking there. Shit. Shit. It's a taxi parking there. Can he move maybe? Would be nice, so I can deliver here. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I think that's fine like that. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment and share this video with your friends.